Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Big Sweep for day 2 of our epic fall deep clean. A deep clean isn't just about removing dust and dirt, it's about clearing out stagnant energy and making space for clarity and calm. The kitchen, or Zone 2, is the heart of our homes. It deserves special attention during this autumnal reset. By decluttering, dusting, and reorganizing, we can transform our kitchens into havens of relaxation and rejuvenation. Imagine sinking into your favorite kitchen nook, surrounded by a space that feels both inviting and serene. The air is fresh, the surfaces are gleaming, and everything is in its rightful place. With a little effort and intention, we can cultivate a kitchen that nurtures our well-being and enhances our enjoyment of the autumn season. This fall deep clean is more than just a chore. It's an act of self-care. Let's embark on this journey together, transforming our kitchens into indoor sanctuaries. Before we get cleaning, take a second to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you always stay tuned for more cleaning tips and inspiration throughout the season. Now grab your cleaning kit and let's get started. Consider using natural cleaning solutions, such as a mixture of vinegar and water, for a more eco-friendly approach. Add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or lemon to infuse your kitchen with a calming and uplifting aroma. Having a designated caddy or basket to hold your cleaning supplies is a game changer. It keeps everything organized and easily accessible, eliminating the need to constantly search for misplaced items. This simple step can significantly reduce cleaning time and frustration, making the entire process more efficient. As you gather your cleaning supplies, take a moment to visualize the end result: a sparkling, clean, and organized kitchen. With your cleaning arsenal assembled and your mindset focused, you're ready to begin transforming your kitchen into an autumnal oasis. The first step in our fall deep clean is a deep decluttering. We've already done a quick decluttering when we were getting ready for the deep clean. A clutter-free space is essential for creating a sense of calm and order. Begin by removing any items that don't belong on the kitchen counters, such as stray dishes, misplaced utensils, or gadgets. Return these items to their designated homes, creating a sense of order and flow. Next, focus on decluttering surfaces like kitchen shelves and the kitchen island. Remove any unnecessary items, such as expired food, old spices, or kitchen gadgets that no longer spark joy. Consider donating or discarding items that are no longer serving a purpose in your life. This process can be incredibly liberating, creating a sense of lightness and spaciousness. Once you've decluttered surfaces, move on to larger items like kitchen appliances. Let's tackle the often neglected areas behind your kitchen appliances. Start by pulling the fridge and stove out from the wall. Clean the floor and wall behind them thoroughly before pushing the appliances back in place. Next, let's focus on cleaning the oven. Remove the racks and clean them separately. Use your method of choice for the interior, paying special attention to any stubborn spots. Now move on to the fridge. Empty it out and wipe down all the shelves and drawers. Don't forget to clean the door seals and the exterior. For the dishwasher, run a cleaning cycle with a dishwasher cleaner or a cup of vinegar. Finally, let's clean the garbage disposal. Pour a mixture of baking soda and vinegar down the drain, followed by hot water. This will help to eliminate any odors and keep your disposal running smoothly. Taking the time to deep clean these areas will not only improve your kitchen's appearance, but also ensure that your appliances function efficiently and last longer. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Big Sweep for more cleaning tips and tricks. And now, it's time to tackle the dust. Summer's open windows and increased activity often leave a fine layer of dust settled on every surface. Using a microfiber cloth or duster, carefully dust all surfaces, including shelves, tables, cabinets, and appliances. Pay close attention to hard-to-reach areas, such as exhaust fans, light fixtures, and the tops of cabinets. These often neglected spots can accumulate significant amounts of dust, impacting air quality and overall cleanliness. For delicate items, such as light shades or intricate decorations, consider using a soft bristled brush or a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. This gentle approach will remove dust without damaging delicate materials. The removal of dust not only improves the appearance of your kitchen, but also promotes a healthier environment. A dust-free space is easier to breathe in and contributes to a sense of overall well-being. After dusting, it's time to unleash the power of the vacuum cleaner. Vacuuming removes dirt, dust, and other debris that accumulate on floors, under cabinets, and rugs. Start by vacuuming high-traffic areas, such as around the kitchen island and dining area, then move on to the rest of the kitchen. Use the appropriate attachments to reach crevices, corners, and other hard-to-reach spots. A crevice tool is perfect for cleaning along baseboards and between kitchen appliances, while an upholstery brush can effectively remove crumbs and dust from kitchen furniture. Pay attention to the areas under kitchen furniture, where dust and debris often accumulate unseen. If you have kitchen rugs, consider taking them outside for a good shake or beating. This will remove embedded dirt and dust, leaving your kitchen rugs looking and smelling fresh. As you vacuum, imagine you're not just removing dirt and dust, but also clearing away stagnant energy. The clean lines and fresh scent of a freshly vacuumed kitchen contribute to a sense of calm and order. Clean windows and mirrors can dramatically brighten a kitchen, allowing natural light to flood in and enhance the overall ambiance. Use a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to wipe down windows, mirrors, and any other glass surfaces in your kitchen. For streak-free shine, spray the glass cleaner directly onto the cloth rather than onto the glass itself. This prevents streaks and ensures a crystal-clear finish. For stubborn smudges or fingerprints, consider using a mixture of vinegar and water, followed by a clean, dry cloth. Pay attention to windowsills and frames, which can accumulate dust and dirt. Wipe these areas clean with a damp cloth to remove any grime. Clean windows and mirrors not only enhance the appearance of your kitchen, but also create a sense of openness and spaciousness. This simple step can dramatically transform the energy of your kitchen, creating a more positive and uplifting atmosphere. Kitchen furniture, such as chairs and stools, can harbor dust, pet hair, and other allergens. Use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment to thoroughly clean all kitchen furniture surfaces. Pay close attention to crevices and seams, where dust and debris tend to accumulate. If your kitchen furniture has removable covers, consider laundering them according to the manufacturer's instructions. This will remove deep-seated dirt and freshen up the fabric. For stubborn stains, consider using a specialized upholstery cleaner or consulting a professional cleaning service. Regular cleaning will prolong the life of your kitchen furniture and maintain its appearance. Clean kitchen furniture not only looks and smells better, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. With the cleaning complete, it's time to organize. An organized kitchen is a more functional and enjoyable space. Start by organizing cabinets, placing dishes in an orderly fashion, and removing any unnecessary items. Organize pantry and spice racks, neatly arranging spices, condiments, and other kitchen essentials. Use storage containers or drawer organizers to corral smaller items, such as utensils or kitchen gadgets. This creates a sense of order and prevents clutter from accumulating. Arrange decorative items in a way that enhances the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. Group similar items together, creating visual interest and a sense of harmony. An organized kitchen is a more relaxing and functional space. Everything is in its place, making it easy to find what you need and creating a sense of calm and order. Now that your kitchen is sparkling clean and organized, it's time to add some autumnal touches. Incorporate warm, earthy tones such as burnt orange, deep red, and golden yellow through towels, tablecloths, and other decorative accents. Bring the outdoors in with natural elements such as branches, leaves, and pine cones. Arrange these elements in vases or bowls to create a sense of autumnal abundance. Add soft lighting such as candles or string lights to create a warm and inviting ambiance. The gentle glow of candlelight or the twinkling of fairy lights adds a touch of magic to your autumnal sanctuary. These finishing touches transform your kitchen into a cozy haven for the fall season. As you step back and admire your freshly cleaned and organized kitchen, take a deep breath and savor the sense of accomplishment. The air feels lighter, the space feels more open, and a sense of tranquility washes over you. A clean and organized kitchen is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's a sanctuary for your mind and body. It's a space where you can relax, recharge, and connect with yourself and your loved ones. The absence of clutter and dust creates a sense of calm and order, allowing you to fully appreciate the simple pleasures of life. As the days grow shorter and the nights grow cooler, embrace the cozy comforts of your revitalized kitchen. Prepare a delicious meal, enjoy a warm cup of tea, and savor the peace and tranquility of your autumnal haven. This fall deep clean is an investment in your well-being. As you bask in the tranquility of your clean and organized kitchen, remember the positive impact this act of self-care has on your overall quality of life. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and embrace the serenity of your autumnal sanctuary. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of our epic fall deep clean.